Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're jumping into something specific that always gets attention, the Toronto luxury real estate market.
Right. High-end stuff, what's the focus?
We're looking at properties listed for $3 million and up, specifically ones holding open houses this weekend, April 12th and 13th.
Okay, so a real snapshot of what's actively available right now at that price point.
Exactly. And this isn't just a random list. These properties were curated by Brad Cox over at the Heaps Estrin team.
Ah, yes. Brad knows the luxury segment extremely well. Solid choices, I'd
Ah,
expect.
definitely. And it's probably worth mentioning, beyond these open houses, he also deals with a lot of exclusive listings, off-market properties too. He really crafts a sort of bespoke experience for clients.
That's important context.
Yeah.
So exclusive access beyond just what we see publicly listed.
Precisely. So the plan for this deep dive is pretty straightforward. A quick run through. We'll hit the address, the price, bedrooms, how long it's been on the market, and maybe one thing that really stands out about each place.
Got it. Quick hits, key info. Sounds good. Where do we start?
Let's kick things off with 57 Woodlawn Avenue West. That's in the Yonge St. Clair area.
Okay, Woodlawn West, Summerhill.
Yep, Summerhill. Listed at $3,095,000. It's got 3 bedrooms, and it's pretty fresh, just 4 days on the market.
4 days, okay. What's the hook?
Well, it's an end-of-row home, which is nice in itself, but the lot is really deep, 176.5 feet, plus it has 2 terraces with city skyline views.
An end unit with that lot depth in Summerhill and city views. That's quite the combination. And the kitchen.
Oh yeah, features an imported Valcuisine chef's kitchen, top-end appliances, and they just put in new hardwood on the main floor.
Valcuisine. Nice. Okay, strong start. What's next?
Moving over to Rosedale Moore Park, 74 Dale Avenue.
Dale Ave, okay.
Price on this one is $3,295,000. It's listed as 5 bedrooms plus 1, and talk about fresh, only 1 day on the market.
Wow, brand new listing. 5 plus 1 beds. Detached.
Yes, and that's a key point. It's a rare, fully freehold, detached home in South Rosedale. Big deal there.
Freehold in South Rosedale is definitely rare. Anything else?
Yeah, they've applied for a permit for a secondary unit, which adds flexibility. Recently renovated 2 newer hardwood, 4 newer washrooms, and it's like 100 meters from Castle Frank Station.
Okay, location renovation, freehold status, and secondary unit potential near the subway. That ticks a lot of boxes.
It really does. All right, let's shift to Leaside, 298 Bessborough Drive.
Bessborough, North Leaside. Got it.
Listed at $3,385,000. This one's 3 plus 1 bedrooms on the market for 3 days.
3 days. And the standout here?
It's on a rare 50-foot lot in North Leaside, which is quite generous for the area, and it's newly updated.
50-foot lot, nice. What kind of updates?
Things like a heated driveway and front stairway, very practical for Toronto winters. Also a new roof, new siding, and they've had the backyard professionally landscaped.
So move-in ready with some serious curb appeal and practical winter features on a good lot size. Sounds appealing.
Yeah, feels very complete. Okay, next up, 19 Hillhurst Boulevard. This one's in Lawrence Park South.
Hillhurst, so Lytton Park area.
Yeah.
Price.
Same price point, $3,385,000. It offers 4 plus 1 bedrooms. Been listed for 4 days.
Okay. What's the story here?
It's a classic 2-story family home, but importantly, it sits on a large south-facing 50 by 133-foot lot.
South-facing 50-footer at Lytton Park. That's prime. Lots of light.
Exactly. And it has a big eat-in kitchen that walks out to a large deck. Plus, it's walking distance to some really top-tier public and private schools.
Location and lot exposure are key there. Proximity to schools is always huge in Lawrence Park.
Definitely. Now, staying in Lawrence Park South, but heading to 116 Briar Hill Avenue.
Briar Hill, okay. Allenby School District.
Right in prime Allenby. This one's listed at $3,495,000. 4 bedrooms, only 2 days on market.
Very new listing, too. What makes it stand out?
It's described as a breathtaking 2-story custom home, and it's brand new, built this year, 2024.
A new custom build in Allenby. That'll get attention. Design features.
Yeah, it has this elevated dining and living room area that overlooks an open-concept chef's kitchen. Top-of-the-line appliances, custom finishes, and the primary suite really feels high design.
Sounds very contemporary. That elevated living dining concept is interesting. Okay, where to next?
Back to Leaside, 100 Glenvale Boulevard.
Glenvale. North Leaside again.
Yep. Price is $3,880,000. 4+1 beds, also just 2 days on market.
Seems like a busy week for new listings in Leaside. What's special about this one?
It's another stunning custom build, over 3,400 square feet of refined living space, lots of high-end details.
Like what?
Thermador appliances built in the kitchen, a white oak wine cellar feature in the dining area.
Ooh, nice touch with the wine cellar.
And the backyard sounds like an oasis. It's got an in-ground pool.
Okay, so custom build, luxury finishes, and a pool. That's a pretty complete package for entertaining and family life in Leaside.
For sure. Staying in Leaside, we have 584 Broadway Avenue.
Broadway Ave. Okay.
Priced slightly higher at $3,888,000. 4+1 bedrooms again, also 2 days on the market.
Another fresh Leaside listing.
Yeah.
What's the angle here? Custom.
Yes, custom designed. Around 3,800 square feet of, quote, luxurious living space. Standout features include a really spacious foyer with a soaring ceiling.
Grand entrance feel.
Yeah. And heated in suites, which is a nice comfort detail. The lower level also has heated floors and includes a nanny suite.
Heated floors and in suites point to that extra level of comfort, and the nanny suite adds practicality for sure.
Absolutely. Okay, penultimate property, also Leaside, this time South Leaside, 32 Parkhurst Boulevard.
Parker's, okay. Close to Bayview.
Yeah, South Leaside Prime, listed at $3,995,000, 4+1 beds, and this one just hit the market one day.
Just listed today or yesterday. Wow. Okay, almost $4 million. What justifies that?
It's described as rare and refined. It offers over 4,000 square feet of living space, which is substantial, and it's on a deep pool-sized lot.
Pool-sized lot in South Leaside is a big plus. Interior highlights.
Heated limestone floors on the main level, that feels pretty luxe. And a chef's kitchen that opens right into a spacious family room, that popular open flow.
Limestone floors, nice. And that kitchen family room connection is what so many buyers want now. Pool-sized lot seals the deal for some.
It seems like a strong contender.
Oh.
Okay, last one on our list. We're heading back to Rosedale Moore Park for 305 Inglewood Drive.
Inglewood Drive, more Parkside, big price jump.
Yep, this one's listed at $4,995,000, 5 bedrooms, on the market for 2 days.
Okay, just under $5 million. What are we looking at?
An elegant, classic red brick home. It's on a picturesque corner lot offering about 5,000 square feet of living space.
Corner lot in Moore Park, 5,000 square feet.
Yeah.
It's significant presence.
Yeah.
Any recent work?
Yes, the kitchen was recently renovated by Reflect Architecture, features Miele appliances.
Reflect Architecture, okay. High-end renovation then. Miele is top stuff.
Definitely. And the third floor sounds quite versatile, described as ideal for teenagers or as a guest space, kind of a separate zone.
A dedicated upper-level retreat that's very useful in a large family home. Makes sense for that price point in Moore Park.
So yeah, that's our run-through. As you can hear, quite a diverse range, right? Different neighborhoods, different styles, all open this weekend in that $3 million plus category.
Absolutely. From, renovated row houses to brand new custom builds, different lot sizes, different neighborhood feels. Really shows the variety available.
And it's crucial to remember this is just a curated glimpse. Brand Cox, who picked these out for us from the Heaps Estrin team, he sees these, but he also has that deep knowledge of exclusive and off-market properties.
Right. So if none of these are exactly right, there might be other options not even publicly advertised. That bespoke approach you mentioned.
Exactly that. So, listening to all this, thinking about these different spots, Leaside, Rosedale, Lawrence Park, and these features, from pools to new builds, it makes you wonder, doesn't it? What specific neighborhood or feature really catches your interest the most in the market right now?
This is a tough question. Each has its own appeal depending on what you prioritize. A fascinating landscape indeed.
Definitely something to think about. Thanks for diving in with us today.